Good night everyone. As we know, today it is a very special day for us Mexicans, because today we are celebrating the Day of the Dead, a celebration that reminds us of our loved ones that aren't with us anymore, with the intrinsic aspect of the art around it. And if you noticed, we are not the only ones to do it. There are a lot of works of art from different cultures representing death as well. But why does this happen? In this short introductory video, I am going to briefly explain why. Let's get into it. Depending on which part of the world you are at, the image people have of death can differ. For example, today we are offering food, water and objects to the dead ones so that they are able to continue their journey to the underworld. South Pacific cultures believe that you die multiple times, such as when you are ill or asleep before the final death. Hinduism envisions that you can reincarnate multiple times. Christianism preaches that death only occurs once, and that depending on your actions in life, you are going to go to heaven or hell. For some Native American tribes and certain segments of Buddhism, the dead and the living coexist, and the dead can influence the well-being of the living. What is something all these perspectives have in common? If you notice it, I'll try to explain what happens after we leave this world, because we don't like uncertainty, so we use religion and art to try to explain and make it more bearable. With art, we try to make an image of how things will be on the other side, and to remind ourselves that one day we are going to die. Memento mori, as the famous Latin quote says. Because it is something inevitable and part of us, it is an essential part of our reality. And as Aristotle explained it, when we make art, we make a mimesis of our reality. In other words, the point of art is to mimic nature, to mimic it in a way that evokes a certain feeling. It can be a feeling of pleasure, or pain, or relaxation, for example. And as we know, death is an essential quality of life, so we mimic it in our works of art. Also, we cannot forget that art is about innovation, about trying new things, and artists, in their attempt to find beauty in new aspects of reality, use death as an object. That's why some works, despite showing someone dying, evoke a certain feeling or relaxation or like beauty, like you feel kinda nice. In conclusion, we use art to imagine how things will be after death, to make it more bearable and less scary, and because it is a part of our reality, hence we mimic it. Next, you are going to see some examples of this in the works of my classmates analyzed. Enjoy the presentations.